Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Unlock Sport in the Vice, the Brummie, Corbin, all locked up. Nothing stuck, and now the dogs are starting to have a play. You might need to turn your volume down. I've tried picking this. I've tried picking this a few times and not really gotten anywhere. So we're trying again. Okay, I'm going to be using this one. It's got this notch taken out the centre. And that's going to help me locate under these key pins, which are got a ball bearing at the bottom of them. So you're actually picking up a ball bearing. So your normal pick just seems to be slidey all over it. Oh, great. I'm going to try and go bottom of the key where you got warding there, a bit of warding there, and warding there. And this one is so worn, it's not even there, but it starts further back. So I'm just going to try and go like that. Catch the top one maybe. Instead of the back. Pretty heavy tension so I can feel what's binding. Trouble I've had with this is feeling what's binding. Clancy, no more play. That just dropped. So that's going to be there now. Okay. Now these old Corbins, I think they used to have like just looked at the dogs then and forgot what I was saying. I've got two Corbins and I can't pick either of them. So now I know why, because the ball bearings, possibly mushroom spools. You're going to be bouncy because I've got you on the table with me. Sorry about that. Try and stay still while the dogs do their thing. Oh, you're not good. Okay. Let's try this one. all set. Clancy loves playing. Betty loves playing with him and teasing him, and they have good fun. They woke up the house. Trying to get under a ball that's going to give me actual counter rotation. Oh, you beauty! The Brummie is open! Awesome, awesome, awesome. Wow. That just makes me very happy indeed. A happy little log sporter. Wow. This will be heading off to the next person. If you're an Aussie, you haven't picked it, you want to have a shot, leave a note in the comments that you're interested and we'll get in touch. Remember, next video I will have a discount code for bare bones. The whole kit, the Molly set. Right. Thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.